I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use the Kreg Shelf Pin Jig. Let's dive in. Now the kit comes with the shelf pin jig, a connector if you wanted to connect two shelf pin jigs together, the right angle stop block that fits into the shelf pin jig, a bit with a collar, an Allen wrench for the tightening and adjusting of the collar, as well as a shelf pin. Step 1, set your collar depth. You do this by loosening the collar, putting it in the back of the shelf pin jig, and then tightening down because the mold already has the exact depth that you need. Now your bit is ready for drilling. Step 2, for a cabinet back that doesn't have a back, you insert your right angle block in the back of the jig. This way you can hold it firmly against the cabinet back. If you're doing a cabinet that has a face frame or a back, simply remove the stop. Now you're ready to drill. You can see I made a shelf jig that's exactly 10 inches tall. If you don't want to hold it, you can also clamp it. They give you a shelf pin because after you've drilled the first hole, you can simply slide in the first pin. Now since I'm doing the part of the cabinet that doesn't have the face frame, I can attach the stop. After I'm done drilling, I like to give it a quick pass with the sanding block. So now we'll cut the shelf, give it a quick coat of paint, and we'll be ready for installation. For more Kreg product tips, click the image on your screen now.